My name is Jason Bennett. I'm Director of Fixed Operations over here at Flow Motors of Winston, Salem. I've been here for going on 14 years. I was in the automotive industry for years, and I started, instead of just going for a job, I wanted to build a career. And I knew about Flow. I lived down here for quite a few years, and I knew how big the organization was and what it actually represented, and I wanted to be part of it. And I started as an advisor and became a store manager, and then managed a couple different brands from there. And now I'm working where the guy that hired me, where he was, you know. The one thing that when I came in for my very first interview here was the fixed ops director asked me, he said, what do you want to do? I said, whatever you want me to do. And he said, what do you mean by that? I said, if you want me to wash cars, I'll be the best car washer you got. If you want me to write service, I'll be the best service writer you got. I said, but the biggest thing I want to do is I want to make a difference. You know, I've had some good people, and that's the one thing about this. I use it as family. You know, if it's a family organization. I believe that if we all have one common goal, and that's being successful, we can make it through anything. It's the way that I look at it in general is, a lot of people wake up and they say, I have to get up, I have to go to work, I have to do this. I look at it more of I get to. You know, I get to get up, I get to go to work, I get to work for a great organization, I get to work with some great people, have fun doing it, and I get to see exactly what my abilities and my team's abilities can accomplish. Anybody can roll the tide, anybody can just be vanilla, but to make a difference and impact somebody's life, that's what it's all about. I care about people. I do a lot of stuff outside of this place for the community, and if they feel genuine care and just being real, just being genuine, that's the biggest thing. My name is Jason Bennett, and I'm happy to be part of the Flow organization. And not only happy, but honored. Honored to be part of Flow Motors. Just very thankful, very thankful.